What's up, my name's Technoba here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another Valheim video. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can change your username in-game and even your appearance. Now of course, there's no official way to do this to your own character model or save game, but there are third-party tools that are starting to do this, and as time goes on, there'll be more and more available. In this video, I'll be running through a program by Bytem. It's an open source piece of software available on GitHub, and I'll step you through all of the steps in just a moment. If you'd like, there's a Reddit link over here. That's probably the best place to speak to the author besides the GitHub's issue page, where you can log issues, suggestions, etc., as written here. Of course, if you'd like some extra information from other people and experiences, you can check this Reddit thread as well. In this Reddit thread, you'll find this link, github.com/bytem/Valheim character editor, which you'll also find in the description down below. Simply head across to the GitHub page and we'll be downloading this. What you need to do is on the right hand side, look for the releases section. Then click the releases text at the very top. Over here, you'll find the latest version, and you'll know it is the latest version if it has latest release on the left hand side. Click the Valheim character editor.zip to download this file and open it up when it's done. Of course, many people haven't downloaded this, so I have to click keep and then I can open it up. After the file opens, you'll find a folder and an exe inside of it, as well as a README file. This repository is licensed under GNU GPL 3.0. This program creates a backup of your character data with each application. If you happen to lose your character or anything related to it, you can go to C uses your username, app data, local low, ingame Valheim characters, and recover it. This is incredibly important, as if you can't play on your character, you can restore it. Tested on Valheim 0.143.5, Windows 10 6420H2, not tested online. Always use at your own risk. I'm not responsible for loss of information from your character or any other harm to your copy of Valheim. Before editing your character, please make sure it's not a new character and that you've played with it in a world. Now, I have a character, though I named it Troubleshoot, and I'd like to call it something else. So that's exactly what I'll be doing here. If Valheim is open, close it. Open Valheim character editor, choose a character, customize it, apply, enjoy. There's a couple of known issues over here, but of course, these will change over time. Cool, so let's close out of that, and let's move this exe file to somewhere like my desktop. There it is. Now I'll simply open it up, and inside of here, you'll see select character. Click the drop down and choose a character's name. In my case, Troubleshoot. There's a change name tick box over here that I can enable or disable. Before we get to this, let's quickly verify what it looks like in game and verify that it changes afterwards. I'll pull across the Valheim server, and inside of here, you'll see any info when I'm connecting to it. What I'm going to do is connect to the server, say something in chat, and you'll not only see my name here, but also in game. So I'll go ahead and connect to my server, view servers, and double click. But of course, if you'd like to set up a Valheim server or a Valheim modded server, check the description down below for a video on how to do that. As you can see, my name was Troubleshoot. And there we go, I'm in game. Let's open up chat and say something, Troubleshoot. And of course, let's have a look at the console over here. Console says, Troubleshoot said I have arrived. Cool. So now that we have proof in multiple places, let's go ahead and change my name using the character editor. I'll click change name and make sure that my game is completely closed before editing or saving anything. I'll call it, say, Thor. I can go ahead and change my character's appearance too, but I'm going to leave it as is and then click apply. Customization applied. Then the program closes and all we have to do is rejoin our server. I'll open the console once again and rejoin the actual game itself. There we go. You can see Troubleshoot, but I now have an arrow and you can see Thor. He has the exact same layout and everything's the exact same, just it's a different character. So I can click start, and after entering the password again, you can see we've loaded in Thor, I have arrived, I have all of my gear and items, and if I say something in chat, then look at the console once again, you can see Thor said I have arrived. So awesome, the name changer worked, and we now have a second character with the same gear and everything else being the same. Awesome. So from here you can carry on playing, doing whatever you were doing. You've now changed your character's name, and if you chose to change the appearance, that would have changed too. But anyways, that's about it for this super simple video. I'm going to go ahead and customize my character a bit more and play online with my friends. Not only did that confirm that this works on the single player version, but also through multiplayer. Now, as for whether the game's future anti-cheat or anything like that would have an issue with this, I have absolutely no idea. But until then, this is a great solution, and I don't really see it affecting anything in the future. Terraria has been famously known for save editors. You can change your items, change your gear, etc., go into a world, drop it into chests, and go back to your other account and things like that. I suspect that this works somewhat similarly. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Hopefully you found something useful in it. Money's been taken over here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!